is faithful, even if we are unfaithful, who loves us beyond all our wild imaginings.
Good morning, dear sisters and brothers in Christ.
During the communion part of the Holy Mass, please advise that the communion stations will be located at the far left and far right sides, as well as along the center aisle. Ushers will be stationed in the designated areas to assist with the communion. Please divide it accordingly. Thank you. Please all stand for the entrance hymn.